What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a box here from Pitaka. Now, this is their Threads of Winter Cases series. This is limited to 6,000 sets worldwide, but I wanted to show it to you guys because they did send this over to me as a Christmas gift, and I wanted to show you this case and what it includes. Merry Christmas 2025. May every weave carry warmth, joy today and always. And this is the case they sent over. This is the navy blue, but it also comes in a scarlet, which is like a red for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and also for the Air 16 Pro Max and 16 Pro. But I have the 17 Pro Max here. I'm gonna go ahead and slap this in here. And ooh, yeah. So if you want to get festive on your holidays, this is definitely something that you can try to pick up. I'm not sure if there's any more available by the time you see this video, but this is definitely a hot look for the winter season. So drop down in the description if you want to try to pick that up, but you could also check out their other cases if these are not available anymore. They have a bunch of different cases that you can pick up from them, but it's that same great aramid, premium aramid fiber, strong, lightweight, refined, ultra slim design for effortless comfort in your hand, and it's 100% MagSafe, so you can rock and roll with your MagSafe. You won't have any problems as far as charging up your phone. And this is inspired by classic holiday knit patterns for a festive touch. And this comes in a limited run of 6,000 sets worldwide, each paired with a cozy Christmas sock. As you can see here, they sent this over as part of their gift to me. So yeah, these are the Christmas Pitaka cases.